I want to let you guys in on a beauty secret that I've been keeping that has completely transformed my skin. That is my LED 7 color rejuvenation face mask. So, straight out the box, it comes with easy Velcro adjustable straps so that the mask can fit your head easily and comfortably. This mask also comes with a portable USB charge to keep your mask charged up anywhere that you may go. Now, before you use the mask, you want to make sure to do a good skincare routine. Using the mask in combination with a good skincare routine will definitely help you see the best results. Now, something that I love so much is that once you complete your skincare routine, you can even opt to use a disposable sheet mask underneath while using the LED mask to get even better results. This LED mask is a biological active co-light system pioneered by the latest Korean beauty technology. Each light benefits the skin in a different way. Red for collagen, green reduces acne, blue smooths skin, violet treats acne scarring, orange lightens scar, and white firms the skin. Now, it is recommended that while using the LED light mask, that you are resting, and it is suggested to not watch TV or stare at your phone. It's best to find something relaxing to do and just enjoy the process. Also, after you are done with the LED mask, it's always best practice to make sure that you clean the mask just to prepare the mask for your next use. Take a look here at my before and after pictures. My skin looks so good, and because I love you guys, I've also have a special discount code for you to use at checkout. And of course, the link for you to purchase yours will be in the description box below.